Johar Pakistan presents a life-changing opportunity in the future of artificial intelligence. Introducing the AI Summer Camp, Future Skills for Students. On-site training for Karachi male and female students at Hussainabad in Johar campus. Learn in-demand skills including core Python programming using Scratch, implementation of generative AI, and prompt engineering and techniques. Course duration, 1.5 months, comprising 12 classes. Admissions open till Thursday, 25th of June 2026. Classes starting from 29th and 30th June 2026. As per your selected campus, at Johar campus, classes will be held every Monday and Thursday. Section A, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Section B, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. At Hussainabad campus, classes will be held every Tuesday and Friday. Section A, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Section B, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Total 1.5 month course fees, 4,999 rupees only. Enroll now. Limited seats available. Join the AI Summer Camp and build your future skills with Johar Pakistan.